Hey everyone, today we'll solve the Face ID unable to activate problem on the iPhone XS Max. This is the original IMEI number and it will not be changed. So let's get started. We'll remove the display and disconnect all the connectors. Here we can see that the front flex is broken. Now we'll remove it. Now we'll remove the ambient light sensor and face unlock sensors. We'll clean the face unlock sensor a little, then we'll apply a little soldering paste and solder it properly. Now we'll take a new front flex for the iPhone XS Max. Now we'll attach the sensors to the new front flex. Now we'll reconnect all the connectors and test. No Face ID error message is showing. Quite perfect. We'll properly asset and attach all the sensors and front flex. Then we'll reconnect it to the phone. Now we'll check the Face ID. See, the same IMEI number hasn't changed. Perfect, thank you.